I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your iPhone and car support CarPlay, and that Siri is enabled in settings. Once done, connect the phone via USB or complete the wireless pairing process. This lets CarPlay take control of audio and mic. Now activate Siri with the steering wheel button or say, "Hey Siri," depending on your car. You do this to keep hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. So follow the prompts and allow any microphone permissions when requested. Once connected, use concise phrasing. Name the app, then the task. For navigation, say, "Take me to 123 Main Street," or ask, "Find nearest gas station," and Siri will load directions on the CarPlay map. For media, say, "Play artist on Apple Music," and for messages, say, "Read my last message," or reply followed by your response. Make sure to speak naturally, but briefly so Siri parses destinations and names accurately. This reduces. To finish, use the CarPlay home button or tell Siri to stop navigation or playback. If Siri doesn't respond, first check that microphone and location permissions are enabled in iPhone settings, then toggle Bluetooth or CarPlay and restart the phone or head unit if needed. If problems persist, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable or repair the wireless connection. This often clears handshake issues. One reliable tip: rebooting both devices resolves most connection glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.